Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's install, I'm going to be using this hair sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. The frontal is 20 inches and then the three bundles are 20, 22, and 24. So to start off, I'm going to be slicking my hair back into two French braids using the Got2b Ultra Glue Gel. And I recommend that you put your hair into multiple cornrows, not just two, but this technique works as well. Now I'm just going in with some alcohol to clean my hairline from any makeup and products. As you can see, I've already went ahead and made the wig off camera and also lightly plucked. And then now I'm going to be applying my foundation shade on the lace so that it can blend seamlessly. After making sure that the wig sits nicely on my head and it's exactly where I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace into 3 sections to make the installing process way easier. Now using my bolt hold glue, I'm going to be starting with the middle section and applying 2 layers of the glue, waiting for it to get clear and then applying the lace on top and blow drying one more time. Now I just want to go ahead and repeat the same process on the sides. Now that the wig is glued down and secure, I'm going to be going ahead and using this eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. Now for any areas that you feel are lifting, you can just go ahead and use the Got2b freeze spray and then secure it down with a blow dryer. Now this part is optional, but I like baby hairs on my wigs, so I'm going to be using the eyebrow razor to cut out some baby hairs. I recommend using a thick edge control or some sort of beeswax to lay down your edges for the first time, because liquid products tend to lift the wig up. I'm now applying my Africa's Best mousse around my hairline and then tying down this elastic band to lay my edges and give the melted lace effect. You can then go ahead with a hot comb to lay the wig down. I didn't really want a defined part, so I just went ahead with some concealer to make just a little part so it can look like scalp. Now I'm just going ahead and wetting the curls with some water and mousse. And here is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below what you guys would like to see next. And make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already.